Good evening, friends. So it's 19th of March 2026. It's Thursday at 5 p.m. No, I think it's more than 5 p.m. I think it's 15 minutes past 5 o'clock at evening. So now I am at my place where I do practice, and this is the evening time upload. So I was going through a video where in video they talk about, do you enjoy your own company? So since I have to say something and others, so I thought, why not I should talk about it. So if I talk about myself, do I enjoy my own company? Then my answer would be yes, of course, but some extent. We need people around us, our friends and family, because it's a very, I am a kind of person who always surrounded by people. If I talk about at home, yes, we are so many members in my family, and if I talk about my professional life, then also being an advocate, I am gathered with so many people around me, surrounded by me, and but I like to be alone many of times, either talk about home or my professional place. And if I get the chance, then I really enjoy a lot, because I just recently talk about one thing. I would like to share about my professional life. Earlier, 6 months ago, before I was accompanied by my senior, and I have been practicing my advocacy all alone, as an independent advocate for 6 months. So when I started my journey as an advocate, independent advocate, I was not feeling good, and I was kind of getting frustration, and I don't wanted to be alone, but for some reason I had to take decision that and I chose to be independent in my practice. And beginning of the year, I was started feeling something relief when I started my English learning journey again. Then I thought that, so if I had my leisure period to learn this language and initiate this earlier, then I would have been take advantage of my loneliness. So these thoughts and After having this thought, I started feeling nice, good. And if I talk about complete loneliness, then I would say I don't like being alone at home or anywhere. But if you talk about if whether I would like to go movie all alone, and if I need to go the restaurant all alone, then I'd say yes, of course I love to be alone. I love to be with myself, because but but I need surrounded I need surrounded people around me, because I can't live all alone. I can say I cannot live in a mountain or a jungle where human being not seen. Human being are not seen. There I cannot survive, because I am a little bit tamed person, because I don't know why. Whenever I had to live all alone at my home, either day or night, I started feeling not. I don't feel good, because I am a kind of person who want that if I want to be sit alone, and if I don't want to be disturbed, and then I like to be all alone. And if I want to talk to someone else, then they are permission to talk to me. I am that kind of person, so I cannot live without people around me. And so, because in a movie theater I watch movie and I enjoy movie, but if anyone ask me if the theater is vacant, and if then I enjoy the movie, then definitely not. But if there are people who are not related to me, they are watching their and enjoying themselves, and I will be there enjoying by myself, then okay, it's okay. And the same thing apply on any restaurant. So yes, I like my my own company. Whenever nowadays I have to sit all alone at my workplace, and if there is no work for me, then I don't like being disturbed by anyone. I want to sit and do whatever I feel like to do. So this was all about my thought. So I think so. It depends. I like to be myself all alone, and I enjoy my own company. But definitely I need people around me, and without being disturbed, I enjoy my own company. Without being disturbed by people, I enjoy my company. But I need people at home, at market, and at my workplace, everywhere. I am not kind of people who can leave mountain and jungle and survive if I have the survival things like food, air, clothes and everything. Still I don't want to be live all alone. So this was what I was thinking about, and I have shared with you. So the same question to all of you guys, whether you enjoy by your own company or not. If you like to share your thought, then you can comment in my channel on this video. And so now I am going to wind up this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have fun, and good night to all of you guys. And once again, thank you for watching up to now. Thank you very much.